Hi guys, I'm Luzon and today I want to show you an excellent mask, glow mask based on natural ingredients and also one of the best serum I ever know, the Super Brilliant Oil. It's all organic serum based on natural ingredients and a bit of gold. We use turmeric mixed with a bit of milk. It's 1 spoon of milk, 1 spoon of flour, a bit of lemon for brightening, and of course we use the Super Brilliant Oil, a few drops inside the mask to increase the glow effect. We mix all together. Of course, in a regular day I recommend to use more active ingredient like acid that really could help to the skin. The milk is like a lactic acid that improve the renewal of the cells. The turmeric is antioxidant. The gold, Super Brilliant Oil, of course, gives us much more glow. And we put it on the skin for 10 to 15 minutes. Ten minutes like that, and then we got the glow. Thank you. After I wash my skin, I'm using the editorial. It's a cream based on hyaluronic acid, 2 molecules of hyaluronic acid, and I'm putting all over to hydrate my skin. You can see now that the skin is glowing. Thank you.